Hi, I'm Scott from Soundoftristate, here to do another unboxing. Today we have the Soundstream Reserve V2 head unit. This head unit is for Harley-Davidson's 2014 to 23. This is the largest screen that fits within the bezel that's out. This is the 8.3-inch LCD touchscreen by Soundstream. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So pretty simple. We have the instructions. We do have the wire harness. The wire harness for the V2 is pre-wired to work with Maestro, so it is Maestro compatible, which will give you your handlebar controls. Will also give you some bike information across the screen as well. So you'll notice the size of the screen on there. You'll also notice the chassis of it. The harness that comes with it is a plug and play harness, so it will plug in to the radio and will plug into the bike. And then will also plug into your Maestro if you choose to use it. It is satellite radio compatible. It does use the existing OEM USB, but also comes with a USB-C as well.